How to pair Apple AirPods Gen 1 or the Gen 2 with a Samsung Watch 5. Let's get started. First, make sure your AirPods are not already connected to another device, because as you open it up, it will automatically reconnect to another device or previously paired device. So unpair it and let's get started now. As you open up the case lid, you'll most likely see a green light on your AirPods here, and that means you get some good battery life in it. Then at the back of your AirPods Gen 1 or Gen 2, there is this button right here. You're going to hold down that button and don't let go until you see a soft white blinking light. So keep holding it down. And it's going to start blinking, and let it blink for at least 3 to 5 times and then let it go. Once you let it go, be sure that the case lid stays open at all times like this here, and that'll keep it in pairing mode. Next up, on your Samsung Watch 5 here, you'll go ahead and from the top you will swipe down and you'll tap on the settings right here, which will take you into the main settings of your Watch 5. Then go into where it says connections. Then you'll go to where it says Bluetooth, then turn it on. It'll start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices and just kind of swipe up like this here until you see the AirPods show up. All right. Now, in some cases, you may not get this pair up the very first time. And if not, just try this process again. You should get it the second time around. Once you see AirPods, go ahead and tap on it one time. It'll say pairing. You'll get this here. Press the check mark to allow it. And it'll say connecting, and just wait for it to say connected. And once you're connected, you should have gotten a green light on your AirPods. And then you can tap here on the settings to allow you to see the calls and audio option, allowing it to have calls and audio go through your AirPods. Okay. Now, as we take this out here, I'll come out of this here, and we could go into the player app here to test this out, okay, just so you guys can see it actually works. So we can go here to the music app, and if you have some songs there already, you can go ahead and just press play now. And you can adjust the volume by tapping on this icon right here. This is the Bluetooth volume adjuster here. Tap on that, bring that up, and you should hear that from here, okay? All right, so that's from the AirPods itself, okay? So like, sub, and thanks for watching.